Hello guys, welcome back to another section of Uncle Sam online tutorial. This question we are asked to solve it. It is the power of inverse, so it's under the laws of indices, the power of inverse. So what do we do here? Now follow me carefully because I'm going to be disintegrating these in a very simple way you understand. So solution, we can say that this is something as 1 representing this one over, if you have x to the power of negative 1 is the inverse of x, so you can also write it as 1 over x. I hope you're following. Then you put your division sign, then 1 for this, then inverse of 1 is something as 1 over y, all to the power of negative 1. So what is the next thing we are asked to do? We're going to solve this. Now let me solve it somewhere because I want to change it. If I'm solving it, I'll just flip it because I know what already happened here. Let me solve this somewhere because this and this is going to have the same solution. So if you have 1 over 1 over x, what does it mean? It simply means 1 first, then this line is the division sign divided by what? 1 over x. Now, I can make this to become a fraction by putting 1 under here. It does not change anything. Yeah, it doesn't. So what is next thing I'm doing? The division sign here will change to multiplication sign. And the next fraction by the right hand side, which is 1 over x, will be what? Flipped. The denominator comes up and the numerator goes down. So this is going to be 1 over 1. And this division is changing to multiplication. Then it will be x over 1. Which is, if you solve it, 1 times x is going to give us x. And 1 times 1 is 1. X divided by 1 is going to give us what? X. So you see that at the end of the day, what you're going to have for this part is just x. And since this one is the same thing as this, we're still going to have y. So I'm going to put divided by y. Yes. All to the power of negative 1. I hope you got what we did here. So the next thing to do now is to rearrange this. This is the same thing as x. Division is this slash over y. All to the power of negative 1. So what do you also know about negative? A simple way to solve this problem is just what? Flip it. Flip the fraction. Let the denominator come up and the numerator come down. Then the inverse power will go. But if you don't want that, we can verify it over here. If you have x over y to the power of negative 1, it is the same thing as x to the power of negative 1 all over what? Y to the power of negative 1, which is the same thing as 1 over x over 1 over y, which is, if I rearrange it, is going to give 1 over x divided, yes, this thing will turn to division, divided by what? 1 over y, which will change to 1 over x times y over 1, which is same as what? Y over x. So this fraction here will change to what? Y over x. And that is the answer. So this is about the inverse rule. This is how it is solved. Bye bye.